Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MYDX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance very straightforward, especially with the way we're going to look at it today. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, did it yesterday, but how are we going to make it very simplistic? Well, hopefully this video is extra short. We're just going to watch 2 moving averages, and if you want to visualize them as trend lines, that's fine too. The first moving average we're going to watch is the pink line down here, which is the 200 period simple moving average, and if you want to visualize that as a trend line, then just picture it as as time goes by, it's going to look something like that, give or take. That's not perfect, but you get the point. On the other side of things, the other trend line to watch is going to be this purple line right here, the 50-period simple moving average. And again, give or take, not going to be exact, but as time goes by, it's going to look something like that. And if you picture those as trend lines, you can see that we now have a wedge pattern that's starting to form. Maybe you want to call it a symmetrical triangle, whatever floats your boat. The point here being is the psychology behind it, and the current psychology is, yes, the bulls are making progress, pushing the price upwards, but also the bears are making progress by pushing the price downwards. So that just brings about the question, which way is it going to break? Is it going to break to the upside of the pattern, meaning are the bulls going to break through the resistance portion, which is the 50-period simple moving average, or is it going to break to the downside, which is, the 200 period? Are the bears going to push through the support portion of the pattern down there? That's the key thing going on. And yeah, you can look at little, shorter term levels of support and resistance within the chart. But as far as, just kind of, like I said, looking at things from a very simplistic point of view, in my mind, that's what it's all about. Those 2 moving averages and how is the price going to react when it gets near either of them. So that's really, what I'll be watching, and, I think from, again, a quote-unquote storybook perspective, I think that makes things pretty straightforward. So shorter video than normal, but yeah, that's really all that I think really needs to go into it. You don't want to overthink things, so we'll see how it closes out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.